I'm Catherine Maruri. Many of you may know me as the founder, producer, and host of the Living the Life You Love show, a partner of KweliWorks Institute. This show features remarkable guests who are living the life they love in service to others and allows them to explain and share how they're doing it. Each of our guests is a master in their area of expertise. However, what they all have in common is that they discovered their higher purpose, empowered themselves, and changed their destiny. Coach Quick, our first guest, was a professional dancer who appeared in such classic Broadway musicals as The West Side Story and Guys and Dolls 20 years ago. He was ending his professional career, and yet he found a way to start a second career by creating a new exercise dance movement called Latin Cardio, which has taken Orlando by storm. Percy Lammy Jr., while home on leave from serving in Desert Storm, overturned his car 4 to 8 times on a California highway and suffered severe traumatic brain injury. He retrained and became a practitioner in prosthetics and orthotics. Later, he went on to become a pie mogul. Qigong Grandmaster George Xavier Love was a yoga instructor and a Wall Street whiz when he happened to run into the Dalai Lama alone in an elevator at the United Nations. That encounter changed his life and set him on a journey to become the first non-Asian Grandmaster of Qigong on the planet. What is clear in all these stories is that self-empowerment, like happiness, is both a choice and a journey. Trust me, I know. Self-empowerment begins with the belief that self-empowerment is possible. We invite you to explore each of these stories. We will gladly make these speakers, educators available to your group or organization anywhere in the world. Please leave us your email so we can stay in touch about new shows and developments. And until next time, live passionately.